Hello, so are you wondering on how to go about this maths problem? Worry not, I will take you step by step on how to solve it out. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, we have 5 to the power of a is equals to 60. So how do we find the value for a? It's simple. Let's now work it with the log. We shall now have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 60. So the first thing, when you have the log of x to the power of y, this one can also be given as, or we can write it as y, the log of x. So that is to mean that our log to the power of 5a, we can now write it as a, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 60. Simple. So let's now divide both sides by the log of 5. Here also the log of 5. So meaning that log 5 and log 5 shall cancel each other. So our value for a shall be now is equals to the log of 60. So the log of 60 all over the log of 5. So now we shall have the log of 5 on this other side. So let's now proceed as we can have room to factorize this number. So our value for a is equals to, so the log of 60 can also be written as the log of 15 multiplied by 4. Then into bracket all over the log of 5. So from here now, we say that when you have the log of, so when you have the log of x, y, this one can also be written as the log of x plus the log of y. So that is to mean that here now we shall say that our value for a is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 15 all over the log of 5, then plus the log of 4 all over the log of 5. So next we shall say that, so still we shall also have it as a is equals to the log of 15 all over the log of 5, then plus, so then now we shall have the log of 2 to the power of 2 all over the log of 5. So our next, now we shall now say that when you have the log, assuming we have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So here now we shall say that our value for a is equals to, so the log of 15 to the base of 5, then plus, so this one can also be written as 2, the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So our next now shall say that our value for a is equals to, so the log of 15 to the base of 5 plus, so here now we shall have 1 over 2, or we can still, because it is just 2, we shall still have it as 2 over 1, 2 over 1 the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So finally our answer is now a to be is equals to the log of 15 to the base of 5, then plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 5. So now these are now shall qualify to be our correct answer. So we can still prove it by now trying to check if that is the correct answer. So let's now prove it, because we were looking at 5 to the power of a. So initially we had 5 to the power of a is equals to 60. So now 5 to the power of a, we've got it as the log. So 5 to the power of the log of 15 to the base of 5 there, then plus 2, so then plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 5. Then this one now is equals to 60. So here now let's start with the first one. So the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5. So here now shall remain with 15. So the plus shall change to multiplication. So we shall also have our 5 to the base of 2, to the power of 2 I mean, the log of 2 to the base of 5. So here now this is now what it means. So 5, the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5. So in this case now, we shall now have 15, then multiply by, so here now we shall have 2 multiplied by 2, that is now shall be 4. So is equals to 60. So in this case now, 15 multiplied by 4 is 60 is equals to 60. So it means that our answer is very, very correct. When you say that our value for A, in this case, the way we got it, our value for A is equals to the log of 15 to the base of 5 plus 2 the log of plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 5 as it is. So you can still work out this maths problem, try to challenge your friends and see how they arrive at the correct answer. So let's stop then. Thanks for watching.